Yo, good day everybody, USADOS is here. Today we got this PORTER 2004. It's a TCI engine. Let's take a look at this car, review it, see if it's good or not. Alright, let's start by 360 degrees review. I think it's painted black at the bottom. Check the doors now. Alright. The other door. There's some rust over here. Let's go check the engine right now. So here we go, the engine is on. It sounds good. Everything looks good. I'll open this one. No smoke or oil coming out, so looks good to me. Alright, here we go. So we're inside the car right now. Let's start the engine. Okay, the lights are on. When you switch the key on, lights are, start the engine now. Lights are off. Okay, let's try to accelerate. See the RPMs. As you can see, the RPMs go up very smoothly. The sound of the engine is also good. Okay, let's check other things. Windows. Okay, the window works perfectly. Other side. All same. Let's try the radio. Engine.
이 노래는 첫 소절부터 굉장히 사랑에 푹 빠진.
Okay, the radio is working. Try the AC. Switch the fan on. Okay, it's coming. She's on. Oh, cold air is coming now. Wow. AC is perfect. It's working perfectly. They're all working perfectly. This one, a very cold air is coming out. Perfect. Okay, show you the car from inside. It's moving perfectly. All perfect. Yep, that's all here.
Esta es Busyman.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. Busyman.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
So this was the review end of this Porter 2004. If you're interested in this car, please contact us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them. You can always ask for more pictures or more videos. You can reach us out at busyman.kr as well. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es Busyman.KR. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.